Hello, today we will guide you through how to check your Ryanair flight number. Knowing your exact flight number makes it easier to check airport screens, track your flight, and share details with pickups or accommodation. Here's how to find it quickly and confidently using the official Ryanair website. Start by opening your browser and going directly to Ryanair.com. This ensures you're on the official site with the most accurate, up-to-date information. If the site asks you to confirm your country or language, choose the one that matches your trip. You may also see a cookies prompt. Simply continue to proceed. Once the homepage loads, look to the upper right corner of the screen for the My Bookings option. On a phone, this is usually found by tapping the menu icon first, then selecting My Bookings. This is the place where Ryanair stores all your upcoming and past trips tied to your profile or booking details. Click or tap My Bookings. If you're already signed in, your trips should appear automatically. If not, the site may ask you to log in or to retrieve your reservation using your booking reference and the email address used at purchase. Follow the on-screen prompts. Entering those details will pull up the same booking information you received in your confirmation email. Remember, the booking reference is different from the flight number. One identifies your reservation, while the other identifies a specific flight. After you're in the Manage Trip area, locate the card or section for the journey you want. Here you'll see the route, date, and importantly, the flight number. Ryanair flight numbers typically start with the airline code, like FR, followed by a series of digits. The number can appear near the departure time or alongside the route, for example, next to the city pair. If your booking includes both an outbound and a return leg, each leg has its own flight number, so check the correct segment and date. If you've added bags or seats, those add-ons won't affect the flight number. A few quick tips before we finish. If the number isn't visible immediately, expand the booking details or open the itinerary view. The same code will also appear on your boarding pass once it's issued. Closer to departure, refresh the page to make sure you see any updates. If you still can't locate your trip, verify the spelling of your booking reference and the email used to purchase. That's it. You found your Ryanair flight number and you're ready for a smoother journey.